Xiaomi is removing one of its users' favorite options through a software update. This is quite important because it really is a feature that many were using. And this is an option to turn off the screen while you were playing some YouTube video. In fact, this was kind of a hack that users took advantage of so that without having a YouTube Premium account, they could listen to music or listen to a podcast in the background without having the screen on. This feature was part of the sidebar tools that Xiaomi had in its various OS versions for many years. But it seems that Google was not happy with this tool because it allowed users, without the need to pay, to have this as a benefit. Although it really wasn't quite the same as what you can enjoy when you have a YouTube Premium subscription, but it seems that Google put some pressure on Xiaomi. And in fact, it is also said that other companies put pressure on Xiaomi to remove this option through an update. And the surprising thing is that for this case, it is going to release an update even for older models that were no longer being updated. In a statement to the Xiaomi community on their Telegram channel, they published the list of devices or versions that are going to receive this update. And as you notice, it will even reach up to devices that had MIUI in its 12th edition, and also to newer models with HyperOS. In the statement it says, "Due to meet the requirements, we regret to inform you that we have removed the play-only video with screen off feature in the video toolbox feature, and the turn screen off feature in the play toolbox feature through an update." The funny thing is that the screen off option while you're in a game is an option that many more manufacturers include. So we don't know if others are going to replicate this. Because at least in games, it was quite useful to have the screen dimmed while they were downloading data. So there wasn't any kind of leveraging of tools there without paying. So it's unfortunate that Xiaomi users can no longer enjoy this option. Because you have to remember that other manufacturers, in addition to also replicate the option to dim the screen in games, also one or the other manufacturer has this option for videos that Xiaomi is taking away. So let's see if these big companies like Google and others put pressure on other manufacturers as well. Although they are not usually as big as Xiaomi, so I see it unlikely that they will get to put pressure on them as well. But just look at the way things are. One of the main attractions of Xiaomi's phones will no longer be available unless you don't install the update.